Hello, friends. This is Miss Bohannon. Today, we are going to be working with primary colors to make secondary colors. Now, we read mouse paint, and it talked about primary colors and how when they're mixed together, they make secondary colors. So, our primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. And in your materials bag that was sent home, you have your own watercolors. And I have a cup of water and a paper towel with me also. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to dip our paintbrush in the water and get it nice and wet. Then we're going to start with red. We're going to get red on our paintbrush. And you also need a white sheet of paper. Now I'm going to make a big circle of red. Make sure you have enough water on your paintbrush. And see, I made a big circle of red. And I want you to do this with me. Now I need to rinse my paintbrush. And we're painting with watercolors, we want to make sure the paint stays on our piece of paper. Okay, now I need to wet my paintbrush again, and then we're going to dip it in the yellow. Then we're going to make a big circle of yellow. We're going to rinse our paintbrush again. Make sure it has plenty of water on it, and we're going to dip it in the blue. Make a big circle once again. So you should have 3 dots on your paper. We have a red, a yellow, and blue. Those are our primary colors. Now we're going to mix them together to make our secondary colors. First, we're going to put yellow on our paintbrush. And we're going to put that on our red dot. And you should get an orange color because when red and yellow are mixed together, you get the secondary color orange. Next, we're going to put blue on our yellow dot. Do you have an idea of what color it is going to make? Remember, think back to our story and we talked about it. Okay, so you should get a green color when you mix blue and yellow together. You get this secondary color green. Next, we're going to put purple on top of our red. So I'm going to wet my brush again. And we're going to get red, and put it on top of our blue. Do you know what color, secondary color that's going to make? You may have to add more color to it if it's not changing. Okay. And then when you're finished, you want to make sure you wet your brush again and make sure you get all the paint off of it. And then we want to use our paper towel to wipe it off and clean the paintbrush. So you should have a purple dot now, because when we mixed primary colors red and blue together, it made purple. So just reviewing what we did today, we had primary colors and then we made secondary colors with our primary colors. So when we mix red and yellow together, we get orange. When we mix yellow and blue together, we make green. When we mix blue and red together, we make purple. Take a picture of your work and upload it to Seesaw.